Hello students, in this video I am going to explain top 10 questions from Arithmetic Progression chapter part 1. The first question is repeated 1 mark 2 mark question. 3 numbers are given. These 3 consecutive terms are in AP. For example, if one number is A, another number is A plus D, another number is A plus 2D. What is the difference here? The common difference is D, and here the common difference is D. Suppose if 3 numbers A, B, C are in AP, then condition is B minus A equal to C minus B, B plus B equal to A plus C. Otherwise, 2B equal to A plus C. What is the meaning of this? Twice of second term equal to sum of first term and third term. This the name of this expression is called arithmetic mean. That is B equal to A plus C by 2. B equal to, this is called arithmetic mean. So if you apply this condition, 13 equal to A plus C, 2P plus 1 plus 5P minus 3 by 2. 2P plus 5P, 7P minus 2 by 2 equal to 13. Cross multiply 26 equal to 7P minus 2, 7P equal to 28 and P equal to 4. That's all. So one of the very important condition, if 3 numbers are in AP, then second term equal to average of first and third term. Average means sum of both the values by 2. If you apply this condition, you can find P equal to 4. Sometimes they will ask the value of the terms. Question is find P. Suppose if I substitute a P equal to 4 here, this is 9 and this is 13 and this is 20, 17. These 3 are in AP. Okay. Next, which term of an AP is first negative term? Actually, this is 121, 117, 113 dot dot. After some stage, we'll get positive term and negative term. So what is the first negative term? What is the position of the negative term? So what is the value of n corresponds to that term? So here A equal to 121, D equal to 117 minus 121 minus 4. Assumption, let an less than 0, an less than 0. What is an formula? A plus n minus 1 D less than 0, 121 plus n minus into minus 4 less than 0, which implies 121 minus into minus plus 4 minus 4n. So 121 plus 4, 125, 125 less than 4n, 125 by 4 less than n greater than 125 by 4, which is equal to 31.25. n greater than 31.25 means, so this is 31 and this is 32 and this is 31.25. What is the next natural number after 31.5? 32. So this is 32. So 32nd term is the first negative term. Don't forget this concept. 32nd term is the first negative term. Question is which term? One more tough question is there. Which is the first negative term? This is which term is the first negative term means it is enough if you prove the value of n equal to 32. But which is the first negative term means you have to calculate A32. So what is A32? A plus 31D, A 121 plus 31 into D minus 4, which is equal to 121 minus 124 minus 3. So that term, the position of this term is 32 and the term is minus 3. So both are very tough question, particularly this is tough question. This is only to find n, this is after finding n, find the value of an. Okay, a very important concept in Hart's category. Next, find the sum of first 15 multiples of 18. 15 multiples of 18, this is a number. The first number is 8, second number is 16, 16 plus 4, 8, 24 plus 8, 8 times, 1 times 8, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. How many times? 15 terms. 15 terms. So what is A? A equal to 8 and common difference equal to 8 and n equal to 15 because 15 numbers. So S15, what is S15? 15 by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 to d, n by 2, n equal to 15. 2a, 2 into 8 plus 15 minus 1 into 8. So 15 by 2, 16, 14 into 8, 112. 15 by 2, 112 plus 16, 128. This is 64, which is equal to 916. So up to 15th multiple of 8, if you add all the multiples of 8 up to 15 terms, you will get the total of 960. One of the repeated 2-mark question in AP. Find the sum of all two-digit number, don't forget this condition, two-digit numbers, which when divided by 4 yields the remainder 2. What is the first two-digit number? The first two-digit number is 4, divisible by 4, leaves the remainder 2. Leaves the remainder 2 means only this, because 8 and 12, this is divisible by 4. But leaves the remainder 2 means only 10. So 10, and what is the number? Next multiple, 10 plus 4, 14, 18, 22, like that. And what is the last two-digit number? The last two-digit number is 99 by 4. Leaves the remainder 2. So this is not divisible by 4 but 98, because 96 plus 2, which is equal to 98. Here add the remainder, here subtract the remainder. Okay, so the last number is 98. So how to find first number and last number? These two are the important working rule. Now question is how to find sum. First find the value of n. So how to calculate n? Let an equal to 98. A plus n minus 1 to d equal to 98. But an means last number. Let it is this L also. 98. A equal to 10 plus 8 minus 1 into this. N minus 1 into 4 equal to 88. You can cancel this 22. So what is n equal to? So total number of two-digit number divisible by 4 yields the remainder 2 is 23. Now calculate S23. So what is S23? N by 2 A plus L. So what is L? L is nothing but this is either we can write L or AN. 23 by 2, 10 plus 98, 108. This is 54. If you multiply, you will get 1,242. Very important. This assumption is very important. All are divisible by 4, leaves the remainder 2. That is very important. Two-digit number divisible by 4, leaves the remainder 2. First find n and then calculate Sn. Okay. And next, how many terms of the series to be taken so that the sum is 513? Explain the double answer. One of the very important case. We have 3 different types of problems. One of the type is this one, and I will explain other 2 types end of the sum. The first number is 51, 54, 48, 54, 51, 48, ... After some time, you will get positive value and negative value, dot unlock. Now clearly the given sequence is an AP with first term is 54, common difference is -3. Let Sn equal to 513, that is sum equal to 513. N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 to d equal to 513. So n by 2, 2a, 2 into 54, 108, n minus 1 into minus 3 equal to 513. N 2 into this, 2 into that equal to what? 1026. 108 plus minus 3n plus 3. So what is the next? 108 plus 3, n into 111 minus 3n equal to this, will get one quadratic equation. And this segment you have to apply factorization, take care of factorization. Now n sum equal to minus 37 and product equal to 342. Take 2 numbers. Here this is very big number. Take 2 numbers whose product is plus 342 and sum is minus 37. Very simple. So trial and error method. 20 into 17. 20 into 17. So 20 into 17 is 340. 340 less than that. So 21 plus 16. 21 into 16. 320. This is less than. So you have to increase this. So what is this case? 19 and 19 plus 18. Yes, 19 plus 18. Both are negative value. Minus 18, minus 19. N equal to 18 and n equal to 19. both are positive value. That is the reason for double answer. I will explain 3 different cases. Type 1, n equal to positive number and n equal to fraction p by q or negative number. So this is not possible. Type 2, n equal to consecutive integer, some 14 comma 15. So here 18 comma 19. Type 3, n equal to 19 and 26. This is a direct question. Number of terms cannot be fraction as well as cannot be negative, and hence you have only one option. But in this case 18 and 19 both are positive number. You have to consider both the cases. You have to explain both the answers, and hence the common difference is negative. The 19th term a19 equal to minus 13. I will explain. S18 equal to 513. S19 is also 513. Reason is if you add 18 terms 513, if you add 19 terms, that is also 513, mean the 19th term is nothing but 0. So 19th term equal to a19, that value is 0. That is the reason for sum of two series have same sum, because the last number added is 0, and hence this. And one more tough concept is there, both are not consecutive numbers. You have to explain that. I will give you in that problem is available in my Telegram channel, Marvel Maths. You can download that problem along with the detailed solution. Okay, so one of the very important tough question, and you can expect in 5-mark question section. Next important question from AP chapter. Find 4 numbers in AP whose sum is 20 and sum of whose square is 120. Let the 4 numbers be a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. This is a standard assumption, and these 4 numbers are not consecutive numbers. 4 numbers are alternative numbers, and hence the common difference is 2d. The first condition is sum is 20. If you add all the 4 numbers, sum of all the 4 numbers equal to 20, minus 3d plus d minus d plus d cancel. So 4d equal to 20, d equal 4a equal to 20, a equal to 5. And second condition, sum of whose squares is 120. So a minus 3d whole square, a minus d whole square, a plus d whole square, a plus 3d whole square. Expand this and cancel the term. 6ad plus 6ad, 2d and minus 2d gets cancelled. So you have 4a square plus 20d square equal to 120. Divide by 4, a square plus 5d square equal to 30, but a equal to 5. So a square equal to 25. So 25 plus 5d square equal to 30, 5d square equal to 5, d square equal to 1, d equal to plus or minus 1. Substitute d equal to plus or minus 1 in this assumption. Okay. So find a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. So what is a? A equal to 5. 3d plus or minus, substitute d, here this is d, d equal to plus or minus 1, substitute plus or minus 1 here, a plus or minus, 5 plus or minus 3, 5 plus or minus 1 here, and 5 plus or minus 1, and 5 plus or minus or plus. Okay. So if you substitute here 5, so consider all positive sign, 5 plus 3 8, 5 plus 1 6, 5, and better you can write in 2 cases, a equal to 5 and d equal to 1. So a minus 3d, what is a minus 3d? 5 minus 3 into 1, so this is 2, correct. Next d equal to 1, next 5 minus d equal to 5 minus 1 equal to 4, and 5 plus d, 5 plus d, d equal to 1. So which is equal to 5 plus 1 equal to 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, and a equal to 5 and d equal to minus, same numbers in reverse order, same numbers in reverse order. One of the very important 5-mark question you can expect either 4 number related problem or 3 in the general term related problems. The next important question, if sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49, and that of next 17 terms equal to 289. Find the sum of first n terms. Let A be the first term equal to A, common difference equal to D. First 7 terms, S7 equal to 49, 7 by 2 plus 2A plus 6D equal to this. Okay, so you can cancel, this is 7, and 2A plus 6D equal to 2A plus 6D. 7 by 2, 2as. You can take 2 outside. Okay, 2 by 2 into a plus 3d equal to 7. These two gets cancelled. A plus 3d equal to 7. This is one linear equation. What is the second condition? S sum of next 7, that is sum of 17 terms. S17 equal to this. 17 by 2, 2a plus 16d equal to this. Okay, so 17 by 2, this is 17, and you can take 2 outside. 1 by 2, 2 into a plus 8d equal to 17. So a plus 8d equal to 17 and a plus 3d equal to 7. Subtract 5d equal to 10. What is d? D equal to 2. When d equal to 2, a plus 3 into 2 equal to 7, a equal to 7 minus 6, a equal to 1. A equal to 1, d equal to 2. Question is for sum of first n terms. So what is Sn? N by 2, 2a plus n, a equal to 1 and d equal to 2. N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 to d, n by 2, n as it is, because the question is Sn. 2 into 1, n minus 1 to d, d equal to 2. So 2 plus 2n minus 2, these two gets cancelled, n by 2, 2n, 2 cancel, and hence it is n square. One of the important 3-mark question. 7 terms, 1 to 7, 1 to 17 is given. 2 different condition, because we have 2 unknown constant a and d. So using 2 unknown constant, 2 values are calculated a and d, but the required question is first find sum of n terms. The sum of n term Sn equal to n square. Okay. And next, one of the repeated concept in AP, you can expect either section C or D. Practice ratio related problem in AP, you can expect for this board exam. Sum of first m terms and n terms of an AP is m square and n square. For example, AP1 and AP2, A1, A2 up to AM, A1, A2 up to AN. Sum of first n terms of and m and n terms of an AP is m square and n square. Show that the ratio of mth and nth term is 2m minus 1 and 2n plus 1. Sm by Sn is given. Our aim is to find Tm by Tn. From this you can get one relation. Substitute that relation in Tn, you will get the answer. Now first, let A be the first term and D be the common difference. The sum of first n term, Sm equal to m by 2, 2a plus m minus 1 to d, and Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 to d. Now apply the given ratio. Sm by Sn equal to m square by n square. So m by 2, 2a plus this formula by formula, and cancel, 2 cancel, n cancel. So what is the final expression? 2a plus m minus 1 to d equal to m, 2a plus n minus 1 to d equal to n. If you simplify, if you cross multiply, you will get one small relation, d equal to 2a. D equal to, focus more on arithmetic operation. Now consider, our aim is to find the ratio of mth term and nth term. So first write the ratio, a plus m minus 1 to d plus a plus n minus 1 to d. Substitute d equal to 2a. So 2a by 2a. So which is equal to, you can take a outside. If you take a outside from the numerator and denominator, here it becomes 1 plus m minus 1, and this is 2 times. So 1 plus m minus 1 to d, and these two gets cancelled. Now simplify the numerator, 1 plus 2m minus 2. So 1 minus 2 is 2m minus 1 and 2n minus 1, and the corresponding ratio is 2m minus 1 is to 2n minus 1. Very simple. Using Sn, find one relation between a and d, d equal to 2a. Substitute this relation d equal to 2a in nth term formula. You can practice similar types of problem in ratio sum. You will get good mark in AP section. And next important question, Sum of first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square, that is Sn. What is the first term? That is S1. What is the sum of first two terms and what is the second term? Similarly, third term and 10th term and nth terms. This basic question, but more than 2 or 3 subdivisions are there, and hence it is 5-mark question. Now when n equal to 1, S1 equal to, substitute n equal to 1, 4 minus 1 square 3. So this is first term. S1 equal to T1. A1 or T1, A1. So A1, S1 both are same, and hence the first term is 3. What is the first term? This is over. And what is the sum of first two terms? Sum of first two terms is nothing but what? S2. Sum of first two terms is S2. So put n equal to 2. Here 4 into 2 minus 4 square. 4 into 2 minus, 2 square. 8 minus 4 equal to 4. This is S2. And what is A2? A2 is nothing but S2 minus S1. 4, S1, S2 is 4 and S1 is 3. That is equal to 1. So A2 equal to 1. The second term A2, that is equal to 1. And what is S2? S2 equal to 4. Both are calculated. Now question is, what is the third term? Put n equal to 3. When n equal to 3, S3 equal to 4 into 3 minus 3 square. 12 minus 3 equal to 9. Now calculate A3. What is A3 formula? Actually AN equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. So A3 equal to S3 minus S2. S3 is 3 and S2. What is S2? S2 equal to 4. So answer is minus 1. So third term is also calculated. Third term is minus 1. And what is the 10th term? Now directly you can calculate A10. A10 equal to S10. Either you can write like this or you can apply this case. A10 equal to A plus 90. A plus 90. What is A? This is A, 3. And what is the common difference? The common difference is A1 equal to 3 and A2 equal to 1 plus 1. Then what is the common difference? A2 minus A1, 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2. So A equal to 3 plus 9 into minus 2. So 3 minus 18 equal to minus 15. You can calculate this. And no need to apply this method. This is also possible. This is a procedure, otherwise you can apply this method. And actually this is concept based on Sn, but you can apply direct formula. Either you can write like this or An equal to A plus n minus 1 into d, where A equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into minus 1. 3 minus n plus 1, this is 4 minus. What is d equal to minus 2? D equal to minus 2 equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into minus 2, which is equal to 3 minus 2n plus 2, 5 minus 2n. You can verify whether it is correct or not. Put n equal to 1. When n equal to 1, this value is 3. Yes, that is A1. So if you substitute n equal to in the place n, if you substitute n equal to 1, A1 equal to 3, and hence your answer is correct. So basic sum with multiple subdivisions. Next, sum of third term and 17th term of an AP is 6. A equal to first term and D equal to common difference. Third term and 7th term, A3 plus A7 equal to 6, and their product is 8. A3 into A7 equal to 8. Find the sum of first 16 terms. So two conditions are given because we have two unknown constants. Those two unknown constants are what? A and D. So what is the first condition? A3, A plus 2D, A7, A plus 6D, 2A plus 8D equal to 6, divide by 2, A plus 4D equal to 3, where A equal to 3 minus 4D. Now what is the second condition? A3 into A7 equal to 8, A3, A plus 2D into A plus 6D equal to 8. But what is A equal to? A minus 4D. A minus 4D plus 2D, A minus 4D plus 6D equal to 8. So 3 minus 4D plus 2D minus D minus 4D plus 6D plus 2D equal to 8. A minus B into A plus B, 9 minus 3 square minus 2D square equal to 8. So 4d square equal to 1, d square equal to 1 by 4, d equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. So we have two cases because d has two values. When d equal to 1 by 2, what is a? When d equal to 1 by 2, substitute here, a 3 minus 4d, 3 minus 4 into 1 by 2, 1. So a equal to 1, the corresponding S16 equal to 76. When d equal to minus half, a equal to 3 minus 4, but this is equal to 5, the corresponding S6 equal to 20. What is the reason for two answers? We have two common difference and hence two different solution. One of the repeated concept in section D of AP chapter. If you practice, because we have different collection of problems, practice direct sums as well as word problems in AP to get full mark in board exam. All the best. Thank you.